You are welcome to Brilliant Serial College class, and the topic that we have here today is Laplace transform. Find the Laplace transform of f of t equals to 2 for t greater than 0. Then likewise, this particular question that we have in question 2, we have to find the Laplace transform of f of t equals to 5 and Laplace transform of f of t equals to minus 10. So I will only solve question 1, then I will show you guys the shortcut that we can actually use to obtain the Laplace transform of a constant if you are given a constant value like this. So now let's go directly to the solution. The question on number 1 that we have here is f of t equals to 2. So as to find the Laplace transform. And the formula for obtaining the Laplace transform is the Laplace transform of f of t is equals to integral t equals to 0 up to infinity exponential minus st f of t dt. So that's the formula, that's the general formula. So here we'll be given f of t, then we'll go to the other side. Anywhere we see f of t, we'll just change it to 2, then we evaluate it. So this is under integration, we're integrating with respect to t. So that means we're going to have the Laplace transform of f of t equals to 2 is equals to integral t equals to 0 up to infinity. Then we have exponential minus st, and the value of f of t is 2. They are integrating with respect to t. So this t is a constant, then we'll factor it out. So this will give us 2 integral t equals to 0 up to infinity. Then we have exponential minus st dt. So now the next thing we're going to do here is to evaluate the integral. So this one will give us exponential minus st over. So this is an exponential function. So to integrate an exponential function, so we differentiate the exponent, the power, with respect to t. So here, because we are integrating with respect to t, so differentiate this minus st with respect to t. That will give us minus s. So t equals to 0. Then here we have the infinity sign. So this is the upper limit, while this 0 is the lower limit. So we need to write this one in two places. That will be exponential minus st over minus s in the first bracket minus exponential minus st over minus s in the second bracket. So we are subtracting the upper limit from the lower limit. So now, the first place, anywhere we see t, we change it to infinity. Then the other side, wherever we see t, we change it to 0. So this one gives us 2 in bracket exponential minus s into infinity over minus s minus exponential minus s into 0 over minus s. So we are done with the limit, the upper limit and the lower limit. So here we have 2. All the ones that we have here will give us 0. Infinity times all these ones that we have here, that will be 0. Then minus, open a bracket, exponential 0 over minus s. So anything minus s times 0, that's 0. And kindly note that anything raised by 0 is 1. So this one minus times minus will give us plus. So this one will give us 1 over s. So this one will be 2 in brackets 1 over s. So now, therefore, the Laplace transform of f of t equals to 2 is equals to 2 over s. So that is all for the first question. And to the second question, so under this one we have question 2a. So the Laplace transform. Kindly note that in general, the Laplace transform of a constant is, you can see, if k is a constant, the Laplace transform of k is equals to k over s. So the value of k can actually be anything as much k is a constant. So as for this particular question, without solving it at all, we can actually use this general form. Since we have 2, f of t equals to 2, that will be 2 over s. And to the second question that we have here, to obtain the Laplace transform of f of t equals to 5, so that will be f of t equals to 5. Then we have equals to integral 0 to infinity. Here we have t equals to 0 up to infinity, exponential minus st. Then the value of f of t is 5. Here we have the t. So where this 5 is a constant, so by the time you bring that 5 outside, you are going to have t equals to 0 up to infinity, exponential minus st dt. So by the time you evaluate everything that is here, the final answer will be 5 over s, which is the Laplace transform of 5, where f of t is equals to 5. And as for the question 2b, the Laplace transform of f of t equals to minus 10. So by the time you follow the example 1, the final answer will be minus 10 over s. So kindly evaluate this. Kindly like the video, share and follow for more. Thank you.